Hi, my name is Freddy Vasilev from Unique Automation. I'm proud to present to you the WoW switch. The WoW switch is a universal keypad that can be integrated with any home automation system. Here are some examples of various hybrid that merge our other bathroom automation technology with the WoW switch. But the WoW switch essentially is a keypad that in this configuration could be used to do the environmental control. Here are some examples of our new introductions. These here are WoW switch keypads with metal frame because some markets want to show gold and various others. This is a Korean version. This is something that particularly suits the hotel, and it was done specifically for a hotel in Dubai. It's configurable keypad that the customer could use to show their dedication to the project. It's communicating over LAN. It could be powered over the LAN as well. We have PoE version. And we are here for the next 3 days at ISE 2016, stand 94 in Hall 5. Please come and visit us.